when the market, every Tuesday when the market is closed, you see small shopkeepers with the temporary structure. वहां पर आपके बाजार में आप देखते हैं, they come and sell goods, they come and sell goods and various items. They are also ignorants. So today we will talk about ignorant traders. Ignorant traders are those who have no fixed place of doing business. Those who do not have any fixed place of doing business. Also, these type of traders, they move here and there with the goods, items to sell, with the goods or items to sell. They deal in fast moving consumer goods. They deal in fast moving consumer goods. They deal in those goods which are of daily use, which are of daily use, not the branded items. They provide goods to the customers at their doorstep. At their doorstep. At their doorstep means आपके घर पे ही आके लगभग आपको सामान बेचेंगे. Goods are normally sold for cash. These type of traders, they sell the goods for cash, beta. No credit. Okay. There is no establishment expense. They need not have any shop. They need not have any shop. They need not have any structure, any particular place, and they can move from one place to another. तो इसमें सबसे पहला आता नंबर इसका peddlers और hawkers. Peddlers or hawkers. Peddlers and hawkers are the traders or they are the petty producers. उनके गुड्स भी जो है नॉन स्टैंडर्डाइज होते हैं. लो वैल्यूड प्रोडक्ट्स, लो वैल्यूड प्रोडक्ट्स, नॉट वेरी हाई क्वालिटी प्रोडक्ट्स. दे सेल वेरी लो वैल्यूड items of daily use, consumer goods, right? They move from one place to another either in bicycle, hand cart, cycle rickshaw, and sometimes on their head also. Sometimes on their head also. They sell the goods. They are found in streets. They are found in buses. They are found in trains. They are found in bus stops. They are found in busy places in market, and they are found in and around everywhere where they find any customer. Okay, ice cream seller, right? Ice cream seller, vegetable vendor. These are the examples you see all around. Number two, market traders. Number two is market traders. Market traders are those who are small retailers. They are small retailers and they also sell low priced, low valued goods, and they are also selling these goods in different markets. जहां भी कहीं पर मेन मार्केट क्लोज होती है, जैसे कि आई गेव यू एग्जांपल, किच्छा मार्केट इज क्लोज्ड ऑन ट्यूसडे. So on Tuesdays, these market traders come from different places and make a temporary structure and they sell their goods there. Their goods are also low priced, low standardized, and they sell goods of daily use, small garments, crockery items, electronic items, kitchenware, right? And other day utilities item. Vansika, are you listening?
Yes, sir.
Are you getting my voice clearly?
Yes, sir.
In between sometimes there is a problem, but otherwise it is going on well. Okay, Prince, are you getting the voice? Prince Paul?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Very good, very good. Please listen to the street traders. Street traders. Street traders sell their goods in those places where there are lot of people. कहीं पर मेला लग जाता है, कहीं पर कोई रैली हो रही है, कहीं पर कोई जो है धरना प्रदर्शन हो रहा है, समटाइम्स रेलवे स्टेशन के नज़दीक जब कोई रेल आने वाली है, जाने वाली है, राइट, outside particular office buildings, right, outside schools, colleges, they street traders, or we also call them pavement vendors. These pavement vendors or street traders, they sell their goods in these type of places where huge number of people, large number of people gather, and they can sell their goods to them easily. These type of sellers, they also sell low priced, substandardized items of daily use. Items of daily use. इनका एडवांटेज ये है, people are able to do quick shopping. People are able to buy the products conveniently. But the disadvantage is no reliability of the product. No reliability of the product. जितने भी हम ये पढ़ रहे हैं itinerant traders के बारे में, those who do not have fixed shops, those who do not have fixed place, those who move from one place to another for selling, those who sell these low standardized products at cheaper rates, lower rates, इनका बेटा disadvantage भी है. There is no reliability of product. You cannot claim anything from them, right? The products are not branded ones, not high valued products. So you have to also see the merits and demerits of purchasing goods from these type of traders. Then there is cheap jacks. Cheap jacks मतलब they have a independent temporary shop in front of some big shop. आपने मार्केट में देखा होगा, बड़ी बड़ी दुकानों के आगे छोटे छोटे स्टॉल्स लगे होते हैं, स्मॉल टेम्परेरी स्ट्रक्चर्स आर देयर, और वहां पर भी लोग जो है सड़क के किनारे दुकानों के आगे दे रन देयर ओन small shops or business, and they pay rent to the shopkeepers, for that same thing. They are called cheap jacks. Okay, cheap jacks means they have their permanent shops, but they are paying rent to some other person for the same, and they are also selling same type of goods, low priced, low standardized goods of daily use items. Now I would like to ask principal some of the features, common features of all the itinerant traders, some of the common features of all the itinerant traders. Principal.
Sir, there is no quality of product and no warranty of the product.
Very good. Or
And they have not proper shop.
Harshpant.
Yes, sir.
Another point.
Sir, they have not their own shop. They move step to step doors.
Very good. Or anything else? Bilal.
Deals in fast moving.
Anji.
Sir, it deals in fast moving consumer goods.
Yeah, fast moving consumer goods. Ansika.
So they do not provide credit facilities.
Yeah, they do not provide credit facilities. They sell goods in cash, for cash only. और बताइए, anybody else? Mahima.
So they have limited resources.
They have limited resources. Ansika, Prince Rotella. Good. They, अभी फिर से एक बार बता देना आपको. They do not have a fixed place. Number one, fixed place or shop normally. They move from one place to another with goods. They move in bicycles, they move in hand carts, they move in rickshaws. Now they move in tuk-tuks also. They move in tuk-tuks also. Means any means of transport. They carry goods on their heads also. And they are found in busy places. They are found in streets. They are found in front of cinema halls. They are found in front of big malls. They are found in front of schools, colleges, bus stations, railway stations, in streets, in mohallas, everywhere where they can find customers. Anywhere where they can find customers. And also, these vendors, these type of itinerants, they provides goods, those goods which are consumable items, which are of items of daily use, items which we can say that are low priced. They do not sell goods which are of standard quality. The quality is also substandard. The quality of the goods is also substandard, not very high standard quality goods. The price is low, cheap, and also they do not sell in what do we call credit. They sell the goods in cash, not in credit also. Vishal, are you getting? Vishal, आवाज आ रही है?
Yes, sir.
So are you listening? You have book?
Yes, sir.
Very good. Please join
Having.
classes regularly. Not accounts book.
Okay, sir.
Business book. So join the classes regularly. Now we come to fixed shop retailers. Fixed shop retailers. जिनकी कोई fixed shop होती है. Fixed shop are of different types. Fixed shop are also of different types, and they vary from very small type of shops to big shops. Then then you have malls. Then you have departmental stores. Then you have very big Easy Day, like you see in Kitcha, Easy Day or Big Bazaar. They are all fixed shop retailers, right? They have more reliability. They sell goods of standard quality. They deal in both cash and credit. Different modes of payments are used there. They do not move from one place to another because they are having a fixed place, a marketplace, a place where customers come and purchase goods. They sell high quality branded items. शोरूम में आप जाते हैं ना, आप सीधे जाते हैं किसी पर्टिकुलर ब्रांड के शोरूम में, you get that particular brand there. Sometimes you go to malls, you get different brands. Sometimes you go to departmental stores, there are different departments for different type of goods and services. So we will read about first fixed shop, which are small retailing shop, small retailers. इसमें नंबर 1 है आपकी जनरल स्टोर्स. जनरल स्टोर्स. Anybody can tell me what is this general store? आप में से किसी का कोई जनरल स्टोर?
Sir, where we get daily uses, where we get daily uses products.
General store means a store where you will find almost everything from a needle to you can say aeroplane. You can find anything. If you want, you can try. General store में जब आप जाएंगे तो आप उनसे कुछ भी मांगे वो मना नहीं करते. They will say I will arrange, I will do something. मोहल्ले में भी आपने देखा होगा in your locality there are general stores. वो जनरल स्टोर होते हैं, वहां आपको कन्फेक्शनरी का आइटम, ग्रोसरी आइटम, है ना, आपका दिस स्टेशनरी, वेजिटेबल्स, डेली यूज के सारे आइटम्स, ऑल थिंग्स यू फाइंड देयर. कोई चीज नहीं होगी तो दे विल से यस वी विल अरेंज टुमारो, वी विल मेक इट अवेलेबल टू यू वेरी सून. All the items of daily need, basic needs are sold in general stores. There is variety. You will find lot of variety in general store. You know, grocery items, soft drinks, toiletry product, kitchenware, confectionery, stationery, all these items and different varieties you can find in these type of general stores. The advantage is that the customers have easy access because they are located in your locality. You know, हर गली मोहल्ले में आपको एक दो ग्रोसरी और ये जनरल स्टोर आइटम्स या कन्फेक्शनरी स्टोर आइटम्स, जनरल स्टोर आइटम्स मिल जाएंगे, where they deal in both cash and credit, both. But maybe you do not find some branded items there. For branded items, you may need to go to some bigger shops. Number two is specialty shops. Specialty shops, they deal in a specific line of products. Specific line of products. Specific line of products means they deal in a particular type of product, right? Like children toys only, like toys only. There you will find only toys for children. Some garment shop, only garments, that too of you can say gents, menswear, or uniform of different schools only, uniform of different schools. लिखा होता ना some विनोद पुस्तक भंडार. विनोद पुस्तक भंडार means you will find only stationery books, right? Of those means educational books and school books, uniforms, all these things. Bookstore. कहीं पर कोई आपको मिल सकता है टॉयज वन, कहीं पर कोई जो है गारमेंट्स वन. A specialty store will deal in only one type of product. वहां आपको एक ही टाइप के प्रोडक्ट मिलेंगे. No other product you will find. Variety maybe you will find, but you will not find any other type of product other than they are dealing in. Number third, street stall holders. Street stall holders. Stall holders होते हैं, बड़े बड़े स्टॉल लगा के रखते हैं, right? Near railway stations or near college, near a school. All these they sell different products of daily need. They also sell different products of daily need. They do not have a very fixed place. They also make temporary adjustments, temporary structures. वो छोटे मोटे पान की दुकान हो गई, राइट? कहीं पर आपका छोटा मोटा कोई ढाबा टाइप का, यू सी वेयर सॉफ्ट ड्रिंक्स, कोल्ड ड्रिंक्स, ऑल दीज थिंग्स आर सोल्ड. नमकीन है वहां पर एंड अदर आइटम्स ऑफ daily and basic needs. Then second hand goods shop. Keep your cameras on Prince, Ansika and Shruti. Keep your camera on. Prince, Rotela, Ansika, Bhatia, Shruti, Vishal. Keep your camera on. सेकेंड हैंड गुड्स शॉप में आपको क्या मिलेगा? सेकेंड हैंड गुड्स. सेकेंड हैंड गुड्स. सेकेंड हैंड गुड्स वेरी लो प्राइस, राइट? दे आर द यूज्ड goods or products. यहां पर जो गुड्स और आइटम्स मिलते हैं वो ऑलरेडी यूज्ड होते हैं. They are also seen in busy places. उनकी कोई वो भी नहीं है, क्या कहते हैं उसे, you do not have any reliability also. They are available at cheaper prices. They are available at cheaper prices. Then single line streets or stores. Single line stores. A single line shop or store. इसमें एक ही टाइप के प्रोडक्ट होते हैं, बट फॉर ऑल टाइप ऑफ पीपल, फॉर ऑल टाइप ऑफ कस्टमर्स. जैसे गारमेंट्स का स्टोर होगा, बट द गारमेंट्स विल बी अवेलेबल फॉर चिल्ड्रन, किड्स, मेंस, विमेन्स, राइट, जेंट्स, लेडीज बोथ, एंड फॉर एवरीवन. एक बार्बर शॉप भी हो सकती है, सैलून हो सकता है, बट फॉर ऑल, जेंट्स, लेडीज, यू नो, it can be a parlor where both for gents and ladies. Then it will be called single line store, which is given single service, single line service, but for all the customers, but for all the customers. Whereas specialty store, specialty store provides service a special type or a single type of customer, maybe only for kids wear, only for gents, only for ladies, like that. Then there is second shops. Second shops, not second hand shops, second shops. Second shops are those in which the goods and services, goods are sold which are not of the standard quality. Standard quality means those which are not as per the specification, as per the specification, or they have some manufacturing defects. They have some manufacturing defects. First copy, second copy, बिल्कुल असली जो प्रोडक्ट होते हैं वो उनकी तरह नहीं बन पाते, not exactly, and therefore they are sold in second shops. They are sold in second shops, but they are not second hand products, okay, not used products. They are new, branded, but they have some small defects, very, very small defects, which are very difficult to find out also. Therefore, they are sold as first copy, second copy, like that. And they are cheaper. They are cheaper than the original brand. They are cheaper than the original brand. I hope you all have got it. Have you understood? Ayush,
Yes, sir.
Prince, you are not visible. Ansika Bhatia is not visible. Prince Notela and Prince Paul. Don't unnecessarily play with your camera. I will not only remove you from the class, but from the group also. Take it very seriously. Once you are in the class, be serious and don't play with your mobile. Your attention should be towards your book and to the lecture being told. Now I will ask, what is the difference between, the question is for Mahima, what is the difference between single line store and specialty shops? Anybody can tell. Question is for Mahima. If she does not tell, anybody can tell. Mahima, are you getting? महिमा, तुम्हें आवाज नहीं आ रही क्या? अंशिका, Ansika, yes.
So in single line shops, we have a specific product, but for all. from kids to old age. And in specialty shops, we have only a specific product and only for one. Like we have children garments only, or
Okay.
gents wear only, like this.
Okay. And what about the other one? What about the other one? Specialty store? No,
So,
specialty shops.
sir, in specialty shops, we have only a specific product and
Okay.
only for like one generation, right? Like only children wear,
Okay,
only
okay.
gents wear,
Okay. And what about this one?
and and in single line shops, we have a specific product, but for all,
Very
like
good.
children's also, men's also, gents also,
Very
all.
good. Very good. Anybody can tell me what is the difference between second hand shops and second shops? Yes, Bilal.
The second-hand shops are those which provide used quality product which have been used,
Okay.
or second shops which provide products which not used but they small defect.
Yeah, they are not as per the specifications, or they are not as desired by the company. So the company do not want the product of inferior quality to be made available to the customer. The brand's name is at stake. The brand's name is at stake. So the companies take back those type of products and they sell them in their second shops. There are minute, very small manufacturing defect or production defects, or color, sometimes color is faded or something like that, any sort of a minute defect, and they are sold as in second shops with the same brand name, everything, but at a cheaper rate. So those who could not afford, those who are not able to purchase the exact, copy, the original one, they can purchase these ones also. These are the copies with these are the items with minor defects. Vishal, what is a general store? Don't know. Mahima, what is a general store?
Where we can find everything for our daily use.
Daily use. Sahiba, street stall holder. Street stall holders. Sahiba, don't know?
Yes, sir. I don't know.
No. What you are doing then? Very simple. You have seen these type of retailers here and there in day-to-day life also. Anyone you can tell? Specialty shop. Vyom. Vyom specialty store.
सर क्लियर नहीं आ रहा, आपकी आवाज बहुत कट कट के आ रही है.
Specialty store.
Specialty
Shops or stores?
specialty.
Yes, yes. What type of items you can find there?
Sir, we can get branded.
No, please pay attention. So today we have studied about itinerants with those who do not have a fixed place and those who have fixed place, both type retailers. Tomorrow we will talk with about large scale retailers. Okay. Also, next class I will start depreciation, last topic. Within this week we will start next chapter also as well in accounts. Okay. Every day now I will send you the class timing. अगर हम क्लास टाइमिंग चेंज नहीं करेंगे तो क्लास टाइमिंग यही होगी बेटा 10 बजे. ओके. इफ आई डू नॉट चेंज द टाइमिंग, if I do not send any new timing, then it will be 10 o'clock for some time. Okay. Accordingly, if there is any change, I will message you or you can ask me. But if I am not sending any time, it means it is 10 a.m. every day. And please inform others also. It will be 10 a.m. for some time unless I change it. Anybody want to ask anything? Any questions from anybody? Shruti, you are not in school dress. Yes, Bilal.
No, sir, I have not.
Okay. So revise this and make notes in your fair notebook and see you tomorrow at 10 a.m. Thank you. God bless all of you.
Thank you, sir.